ass bitch, boy.
Okay guys, I did the other eyebrow off camera because it was long enough doing my one because your girl is still practicing. But let me know how I did. Like, I mean, give me constructive criticism. I don't trip or whatever as long as you come correct. But yeah, let me know how I did and everything, and what's some tips and tricks that y'all use, and what's some products that y'all use, because your girl is on the come up in this makeup world. I am trying to learn how to do my own makeup. I'm trying to get these eyebrows down, like all that good stuff. So let me know down in the comments the palettes y'all use, eyeshadow palettes, everything. I'll take every kind of advice. So anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. Again, thank you guys for clicking on my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.